The very first layout widget that I want to have a look at is the Center Widget. And the Center Widget, you will be shocked to find out, centers its child. So that's all it does. It's a very simple widget to use, and you'll use it quite a bit in your application. So the Center Widget will center the widget within the available space that it has. So in our app right now, what we've got is this tractor here, and the available space, because we haven't told the app differently, is everything in this body. So if we wrap this with a center widget, our tractor should end up in the center of this white space area here. So we can come after body and we can introduce our center widget. And these are the properties, and the one we want to use is child. And we want to take our icon that we have and just cut it and paste it inside. Or, much easier than what I just did, Visual Studio gives you the option, if you click on any widget and you go to the helper light bulb, we've seen this before with the container. We can wrap with a generic widget or some of the common widgets. And one of the common widgets they give you to wrap with is center. So if you simply go to the light bulb, click on center, it will wrap that and do that all for you. And if I save that, we indeed see that our tractor goes right to the center of the body. So that's a super handy widget to have for instances like this, where you want to put something in the middle, things like loading spinners that generally sit in the middle. The center widget comes in handy for that. Now, we still have the problem where we are only able to put a single widget on the screen because the center widget only has a child property. We're going to fix that in the next section when we start to look at widgets that accept multiple children and can start to create more complex layouts. We'll start with the column in our next section.